Hi guys, welcome to DIY Beauty Hacks. It's Irina here, and today I'm showing you how to prepare a balancing citrus toner at home, something that would definitely help you to combat that oiliness on your skin so you guys feel comfortable throughout the day. Well, to begin with, of course, we're using the citrus oils, right? Citrus oils, they are very strong astringents. I would say that should be called like citrus astringent, so they will definitely help you to balance the skin and eliminate the excessive oil, right? But I strongly recommend right from the beginning, use this in the evening skincare routine because phototoxic, the essential oils are a real thing, and you need to make sure that you don't really expose your face to the direct sunlight after using this recipe, at least for 24 hours, and always wear an SPF. I'm going to share with you the recipe, just a little amount, but here I'm going to make a double batch because I love this thing and my skin really needs it right now. Besides, of course, you could use it for, when you're suffering from body acne. It's not only for your face. Our liquid of choice would be 1 ounce either of vodka, but here I should really say that it might be overly drying for somebody, so I would say you could use either that or witch hazel. So my choice today is the witch hazel. I don't really love putting alcohol on my face, although I know some people, they do find it beneficial. I guess when your skin is like really oily, maybe that could be a choice. But never, guys, forget that the skin becomes oily because it protects itself from outside elements that cause dryness. So alcohol could be drying. I'm just going to put everything in here, just like that, easy peasy method. As you've guessed, this is 1 ounce. I'm using 2 ounces because 1 ounce is not really enough for me and I don't want to make it again anytime soon. So once we've put that, we shall proceed with the essential oils. So for 1 ounce of your liquid, and this is the witch hazel I'm using, not really advertising the brand, but make sure you use something good quality. We shall use grapefruit essential oil. It's wonderful for acne-prone skin. We shall need it in the amount of 7 drops. And because I'm making a double batch, I'm using 14 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. A side benefit from grapefruit essential oil is that it can really ease up that mental fatigue and moodiness. So I really love this oil. So good. Now, lemon essential oil. If you're preparing this recipe with 1 ounce of liquid, use 5 drops, and I'm going to use 10. We all know that lemon is also great for its lightening skin properties. It also supports a healthy immune system. Sometimes acne could be caused when your immune system is suppressed. And guys, believe it or not, you just try to shake it like that. And you cover it up. So you could use a spray bottle, but I don't really love spraying it all over my face because it might get into your eyes. It's not a good thing. You should also avoid adding it to your under eye area. And I think the best really benefit is that sometimes your skin, not all your skin is oily, mostly like the T-zone. So you do not want to use it, let's say, on your cheeks. Sometimes they could be dry or even irritated. So you use it sparingly, only on the areas which really need it. So you could repeat this treatment up to 2 times a day, but don't forget to apply SPF on your face, and every single time shake the bottle before you go in to use it. I would advise you to store it in the refrigerator to prolong the shelf life. If you're going to use it, just get some cotton balls, right? Apply a few pumps, and here you are, and apply it on the areas desired. The smell is amazing, and I'm sure it will do good for your skin. And besides, I want to share with you something. I'm not a huge fan of cotton balls because they have so much fiber in there, and I don't really feel well after using them, especially if your skin feels greasy and has acne. I'm more of a fan of the gauze sponges because take a look. They are very thin, right? Like almost see-through. And when you're using something on them, DIY product is fine, but imagine you spend so much money for something, right? You need just a little bit, and it's just really gonna soak your skin with the product. So I'm a huge fan of that. I mean, you're the one to decide. I'm not advertising it. This is just my personal experience. So guys, I really hope you like this video. You would definitely go ahead and try it. Please share how this worked out personally for you. Do not forget that everybody's skin is different. Always do a small patch test before using any new, even DIY product. And I wish you guys to achieve the results you're looking for towards your skin health and appearance. Be a very happy person. Love yourself every single day, every minute of the day. Never forget about that. All the best to you guys, and I'll be happy to see you in my next video.